Are you looking to enhance your travel videos with professional looking travel map animations? I just found this tool where you can create beautiful map animations for free in just a few seconds. But of course, there are still limitations that I will talk about later in this video. So let me show you how to do it step by step. So first of all, go to malt.dev, or all the links will be down in the description below. So once you come in here, you can see some of the few examples they have. So just click on in the middle here, just click on create map animations. So you'll try to render an example video in the middle. Firstly, when you come into this page, I will recommend you to sign up for an account so that you can make custom changes. So to do that, go to the top right hand corner beside export here, you can see 3 lines. Just click on it and then click start. And then just sign up using one of your Google accounts. So once you have signed up for an account, you'll come back to this page and then just go to the left hand side here. You can see a small little icon. There's 2 icons. Just click on the top icon and then you'll see this customization page where you can make changes, add more locations, and all these different cool things. So what you can do first is start deleting all the locations and start from scratch. So we are going to type a city that you start from. For example, I start from Tokyo, Japan. So let's say I search for the city. It's better to search for the city, of course, because it can pinpoint the exact location of the city from the entire country. So yeah, I start from Tokyo. As you can see, this small little icon means I'm starting from there. And let's say I want to go to Adelaide. As you can see, this is the Adelaide city in Australia. So as you can see, I'm going there by flight. I can click here to change it, whether I want circles or just dashes or just flight, which is easy. And if you want other different transportation types, you need to upgrade. But for now, flights is enough for me. So let's say from Adelaide, I want to go to Melbourne. Okay, so I just click on Melbourne. As you can see, it will go from Tokyo to Adelaide, then Adelaide to Melbourne. And then once you're done with it, just click cross. And it will take a few seconds to create your video. It's pretty fast. It's around 15 seconds. As you can see, it already created my video for me. So it goes to Adelaide, and then it even calculates the distance as well. And then Melbourne. As you can see, this is what it will look like. And there you go. But there are some features that I really want to talk about. So for example, if I go back here, can go down to the AI chatbot, something like ChatGPT kind of thing. So for example, if you're lazy to put all the coordinates down and you want to instead talk about your trip, it's still quite buggy at times, but yeah, let's try it out. So it will try to create the route for me, as you can see, and then I will just have to add these 3 places. As you can see, it's already added to the trip. The great part about this is you can add quite a lot of countries or cities into it without any limitations. And this icon is for adding pictures, so it is for the pro version. You can drag and drop to rearrange the cities, and these photos, you of course it needs a premium version. And if you go to options, you can have more customization. So for example, you can choose the eco theme, or you can choose the earth theme. The earth theme is more realistic, and then you can choose whether you want squarish, landscape, or for mobile you just use vertical. And then all these features, unfortunately, you need to upgrade. I'll just close the full route at the end because it's just unnecessary. And then you can see country names, country flags. You can add some music, but I don't think it works. And you can have different language options. I changed to a different style. For example, I want a more realistic earth style. I just cross it. It will take a few seconds to generate it. It's pretty messy, not gonna lie. But anyways, let me just customize it for my purpose for a bit. Okay, so yeah, I've created a sample trip layout that you can see, and we are going to be using the realistic earth map. As you can see, we have the fully created travel map in under a few seconds. Pretty easy. and it's really minimalistic and simple, which I really like. So once you're done with your animation, you can just click on export. But unfortunately, you have limitations on your download quality. The maximum size you can go is 432 to 768 with 30 FPS as the max. So if you want HD or 4K, you will have to upgrade to get it. For each account, you only can use 10 times, as you can see. So let's download it. It's in MP4 version and it's just 4 megabytes. So let's see the quality of it. To be honest, it's not too bad if you're using it for your videos in your phone. And yeah, what I like about it is the location is actually pretty accurate, really nice, no watermark. So your pro features, so as you can see, if you go to pricing, the pro features are based on how many videos you want to export. As you can see, 5 videos for $6, 25 videos for $15. So it comes with a package. So yeah, that's it. It's a really nice and simple tool to create travel animations, and it has also a really generous free plan. Thank you for watching this video. I'm JJ, and on this channel I share practical ways to use AI to boost your productivity, save time, and have some fun along the way. And if you want to support me and get ad-free videos, I have a Patreon link down in the description where you can also get early access to all of my videos. So yeah, keep practicing, keep having fun, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.